Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Today, my guests are Christopher Burton, Machine Tool Technology Instructor, and Dr. Steve Simmons, Dean of Technical and Continuing Education here at Aiken Technical College. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, Mr. Burton, tell us about the Machine Tool program. What do you learn in that program, and what jobs does it qualify you for?
Yeah, here in the Machine Tool Technology program, you learn how to write G&M code, to read and to debug the code. You learn the operation of CNC equipment, and you learn how to use the measuring tools that are used in the industry.
So tell us a little bit about this machine here. What does this do?
Yes, these are one of the machines that the students learn to use in this program. It's called a Haas mini mill, a two-room mill, where the students learn the different operational buttons that are used on the machine, and also learn how to write the GM code that operates the machine.
And these are for the state of technology jobs that are in our community. Dr. Simmons, tell us a little bit about where an individual who finishes this program may get employed.
Sure. There's in actually Aiken County, South Carolina, we've got a rich, diverse manufacturing base, and there's several companies that directly utilize individuals with these skill sets and this equipment. Some of the companies that come to mind are Emerson, MTU, and the Savannah River National Lab. All hire CNC machine tool technologists to work on this equipment to build long-term careers out in the field. The program and the courses are also part of a larger industrial maintenance technology degree, where students in a vast array of different positions need to understand the science behind how to mill and create products out of solid pieces of metal, for lack of a better words. But students in various programs will take these courses, but we do have a standalone certificate to prepare for jobs in the three companies that I mentioned.
And we have at this point a time period where we see very low unemployment, but we still have a lot of jobs without people. And is this one of those fields where an individual could get a job relatively easily once they've completed their credential? Absolutely.
I was at a job career fair this morning. Next to us was Emerson, and they were talking about the desperate need for entry-level technicians with these skill sets to come to work. A lot of the students at the high school we were at were quite excited, and they wanted to know the type of education they need from Aiken Technical College to be able to compete for those jobs.
And what's significant too for Mr. Burton's program is that they're able to get these jobs relatively quickly once they've completed their credential. And how long does the program typically last? You said there's a certificate. Is there what's the length of the program?
So the certificate is approximately 31 credit hours, so it takes a full-time student 2 years. We're working on a pathway right now where students can work full-time at a company and pursue the degree part-time, so they can learn while they earn, either in a formal apprenticeship program or in a internal apprenticeship program to the company.
Now, can they go ahead and register for summer courses at this point?
Absolutely. Summer courses start on May 10th. We'd love to have you as students and get you started on a career pathway.
And then also, we are also open registration for fall, correct?
Correct.
So if you want to go ahead and get a jump on the future, you can go ahead and register for summer classes with us as well as fall courses. And it's important to note that these high-wage, high-demand jobs can be covered by a variety of financial aid options. So in effect, a student can come to Aiken Technical College, go into the IMT or the machine tool program, and have practically their tuition costs covered. So this is a great opportunity for individuals to get a good paying job for a very short-term amount of training for very little cost of their own. So again, Mr. Burton, Dr. Simmons, thank you guys for being with us today. Anything else you'd like to share about the program?
Yeah, we now moved into our new facilities here. When I first started, we didn't have that much equipment, so through a grant, we acquired these two new machines and from another college. So we have the state-of-the-art lab, and we're just looking for students who's interested in the CNC machine industry.
And Dr. Simmons, tell us about this building.
Sure. So this is the SEAM building, Center for Engineering, Energy Advanced Manufacturing. Thank you. And it was built in 2015. It's our latest building. Inside this building here, we house our CNC machine tool lab, our welding lab, as well as our radiation protection technology lab. And we're very proud of this facility, but we're also really pleased with Chris Burton's leadership in identifying the right equipment for the students to support them in their program, and they'll actually see this equipment that we have in here out in industry. So we're very excited about the work that's been done.
Well, very good. Well, we're very proud of this program. Mr. Burton, thanks for all your efforts. Dr. Simmons, thank you for your leadership. And again, this has been another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Please come in and see us or check us out at atc.edu. Thank you.